What you want?
Okay. Come on, Simba.
I can't believe this crazy dog. Oh my god.
You know what's funny is that he knew what he was getting.
Exactly. Really? Is that the breed or is it just, they're spoiled rotten?
I think he's spoiled rotten. Get it, Simba!
Get it, Simba!
Come on, Roxy was better than this.
Get it!
He's gonna take his sweet ass time.
Little bit by little bit, he wants to savor everything.
He's like, Mom, what the hell? This is so damn hard.
Come on, you.
Oh, is that the chicken? No,
Go
Mom,
it.
don't help him.
Get it!
Get it, Simba.
Go get it!
He's gonna take it wrapping and all. There he
There
goes. It's like, what the hell is this? Mom, you left the packaging on it?
Yeah, I did.
He's like, this is not fluffy. What the hell is it? Oh, he's ripping the package.
Oh my god.
Oh well.
I don't care about that.
Make it more much for the kids.
Exactly.
Come on, Simba.
This is all this.
Excuse me. Come on, you baby. Take forever. Simba, give me that toy.
Go get it, Simba.
Oh, look what you got, Simba. Gimme. Come on.
It's mine. I worked hard to get it. Let's see it, Simba. Let's see it. Ah, good boy. Oh, you got a nice toy. You got a squeaky toy.
Oh,
That
God.
squeaky toy?
Mom wanted me to buy it for him for Christmas, but I said no, because look at it.
Did I put it on?
Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
He wants it now.
There you go.
What you got? You gotta get it! You gotta get it! You know what? I don't know.
Oh, God, Mom, see, look what you've done.
What are you looking for?
Present for